So why did we use Entity Framework at all? The Entities class was working too, right? Well, Entity Framework is an interface that can be configured to connect to different databases. So it doesn't matter if we now configure it for in-memory, it also works for SQL databases. So we use the in-memory provider right now of the Entity Framework for this course. However, later on in this course here, we will also switch to a SQL or SQL so that you know how to implement it. Here we got the list of database providers that are supported from Entity Framework Core. So you can see SQLite, SQL Server, in-memory, PostgreSQL, MySQL. So there are really a lot of providers that you can potentially use. And that's awesome. So you just implement Entity Framework Core and you can switch between those providers pretty easy. Okay, so today you can now use your in-memory database to store and retrieve data from it, right? Instead of those static lists. Now, Entity Framework is implemented. That's pretty cool. Changing the configuration to connect to a SQL Server database does not require a lot of work now, but some database technologies require different entity type configurations though. As I already said, later on in this course we will take a look on how we can switch from in-memory database to a real SQL Server database.